building excellence, one project at a time. Hi, I'm here to introduce you to CooleyCorp, your trusted partner in healthcare construction. For over a decade, we have been delivering precision and quality that's second to none. CooleyCorp provides specialized construction support services, including installations, renovations, and more. You need a partner who understands the unique demands of healthcare environments, whether it's installing cutting-edge medical devices, managing electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems, or creating custom cabinetry. CooleyCorp brings unmatched expertise to the table. Discover why our clients choose us time and again. Our commitment to quality and reliability ensures that every project meets the highest standards. We build relationships as solid as our structures. Our focus on fostering diversity is valued deeply. As a proudly minority-owned business, we emphasize teamwork and excellence in everything we do. Looking forward, I see CooleyCorp expanding its reach far beyond Atlanta. We're building a healthier future, one project at a time, ready to transform your healthcare spaces. Partner with CooleyCorp for your next project. Let's build something great together. CooleyCorp, crafting quality, building trust.